Welcome back. In this video, I want to quickly show the possibility of using pivot table and pivot chart just to better visualize our data. So this is not a visualization course, but for instance, I will use pivot table and pivot chart for this. I can click, I can select this, then come to insert. When I say insert, I can insert pivot table alone. I can ask it for recommended pivot tables. I can make it a table, of course. I'll show that one. I'm using Control T. But here, I want to look at pivot chart. Of course, I can chart recommendedly. I'll talk about that later. So I want to insert pivot chart. But I want to click this drop down. And it's asking me, is it only pivot chart that I need or pivot chart and table? So I want to insert pivot chart and table. And when I click it, it will ask me, is it this data? Of course, it is this data. Do I want to use a new worksheet or existing worksheet? If I click this second one, then it will put it inside this position I'm doing. But I want to delete it. So I'm using a new worksheet. Then I'll click it and I have something like this. So this is the placeholder for the table, this is the placeholder for the chart, and this is where I can choose. So I want to look at the performance of my account managers. So I'm choosing account managers. I can see I have account managers there. Then I want to look at their total performance, what they made in a year. So I'm putting this here. And that's it. So looking at what they made in a year, you can see this is the total. And we want to look at what is now the best, their best performances. Which month did they make their best performances? Okay, I can see it has added. So this is the best performance. I know that for Anya, this is the best performance. For Charlie, this is the best performance. And you can see from this scale, I can see that the best performance for Samantha Charis is actually higher than the rest. Whereas the total sales for the Michael Khan is the highest. So I can look at many things from this chart. Then I can look at maybe the worst and it's adding the worst. And then I can look at the commission. There are many things I could do. Of course, I can bring this one out. I want to see it. I want to try and see it here. And then I can make it bigger. Okay. So we see it better like this. So that is just the beauty of pivot chart and table. But normal chart, what if I want to normally chart data? Okay, I want to normally chart this. I want to chart the performance of Anya and this quarter. So I'll select, of course, I'll decide which chart do I want to use. I believe a pie chart will be useful for this because only one person. So I can select all this and then go to insert and then recommended charts. Let's see the chart it will give to me. Okay, there is saying line chart will be the best for this. So I can use any of these charts. I can use any of this that's recommended for me. So let's assume I use this line chart and say okay. I can see I have a chart. I have a chart. Now with this chart, I have a design tool. It already give me a design tool, so I can come here and click that I want it like this. I can say I want it like this. I can change the background. I can retain the normal thing, or there are many options I have. Okay. There are many options I have just to make. And at time I used to like this black one with the values overlaid on top of it. So that is one thing I could do. We can decide to chart just for this area using pie chart. Okay, I can insert. If it's recommended, let's look at the recommended chart. It's not recommending pie chart here. I want to use a pie chart, so I'll come here and look at the pie, insert pie. Okay, and I want the normal pie, and I put my pie, and this is pie. So this is the pie chart. This is the pie chart. Okay, if this one is not having heading, I can insert the heading. Another way I could do it is just to take the heading with it and then insert. For the pie chart is not usually useful for, as you can see, since I put the headings, you can see I have my quarter one, quarter two. You can use the color scheme. There. If I want it to overlay it inside, I can do it like this, although it's giving too much information. There are many things you can do with this chart, and this chart can be copied. I can change color. Okay, maybe I just want this to use this kind of color scheme. I can look for the dark one. This is another thing. It's looking more beautiful, and I can copy this to another place. That is another type of chart we could use. There are many types of chart. If I want to visualize everything like this using a bar chart, I can insert it. Just be careful the total is not useful here. And then I can say give me a bar chart, which some people call column chart. I can even say give me a 2D, but I want this. I can see I have my bar chart, and then I can make it bigger so that we can all see what is inside. You can see the way I'm dragging the edges. Then to insert titles, if I click on this chart, of course it gives me the chart element. So I can come to format. Look at this format. I can change many things, the shape fill, the shape outline, the shape effects. I can do that. I can come to the design and change many things. I can switch row or column. I can select it. I can change chart type. I can do many things there with this kind of formatting. Then I can double click this chart title and add the title. Maybe let's type something. Bar chart showing the performance of account manager. Okay. And I have that. That's okay. I could do many labeling for the x-axis for something just with the way it is like this. Okay, so we have many options in this plot area. The field, the border, the plot area options, the chart title, horizontal category, legend. If I want to add the legend like this, I can put the legend, the vertical axis value. So there are many things we could do with charting. Of course, I know it does not interest people when we are moving towards this data analysis of a thing. We're only talking about how to use Excel, but there are many ways to use Excel. Thank you.